Hello, this is Jennifer Carson, and I'm going to be showing you how to add an assignment to your Google Classroom. Assignments will allow you to quickly and efficiently assign assignments to your students. They will automatically email every time you post an assignment. When adding a Google assignment to your classroom, you can add an attachment of a file from your computer, something from your Google Drive, or a YouTube video link, or a link to the internet. This is what it looks like. If you go ahead and get over to your Google Classroom, I will show you around. Once again, in the stream view, that is where you can add an assignment. You click the assignment button. This is where you can enter the title of your assignment, as well as the description. You could simply just put a title here and then a description of the assignment, just telling the students what to do. Say the due date, and you can click assign, and you could be done. However, if you have a rubric or instructions or a template or a PowerPoint or any kind of resource at all that's saved on your computer, you can use this button to attach that file. If it's saved in your Google Drive, you can use this button to attach this file. If you have a video you want them to watch, and then you could add like a YouTube video and then say, ask them a couple questions about the YouTube video up here in the description, and that could be their assignment as well to answer those questions. You could also give them a link to any other resources that you want them to have. Um, Now, something that's really cool though is if you choose to attach a Google Drive item, say English essay, and you could put the instructions on that piece of paper telling them what to do. So you would do that in your Google Drive, and then you would attach it here simply by clicking this, and then you could search for it here, or you could find it in your folder and click on the assignment. Once you have clicked the assignment that you want to add, you click add. Now it's attached. Now you see over here it says students can view file. What that means is all they can do is view it. They're not going to be able to edit it unless they choose to make a copy of it. But if you do students can edit file, what that means is every student in the entire class can edit that one single file that you put on. So they'd be all editing at the exact same time, that one file. You probably won't use that frequently. One suggestion for use of that would be maybe if you were posting an article and you wanted all the students to comment on the article at the same time, that would be a great use of that selection. But most likely, make a copy for each student is what you will click. What this will do is it's equivalent to taking your piece of paper that you of instructions or template or whatever it is that you create that you want to give your students, going to the copy machine, making 30 copies, coming back to your class and distributing those 30 copies to each student. That's what this does for you. But the really cool thing is it takes the title of the assignment, and then it adds the student's name for each student. Let's say you have 30 students, for all 30 students, and it keeps it organized in a nice folder inside your classroom folder, inside another folder that's the name of this assignment. So now each student has their own copy. It's nice and clean and easily organized for you. Awesome, awesome feature of the assignments. Then once you have clicked that, you simply click the assign button, and that will assign this document, and your students will get an email letting them know that they have a new assignment waiting for them, the due date. I also forgot to say that you can also add the time up here if you have an exact like midnight deadline that you want to put in there. And that is pretty much it for assigning an assignment. Thank you.